Hey guys, welcome. Today we have this mystery box from Princess Auto. I haven't got it just a minute now. So it's a mystery box from Princess Auto, similar to you guys in the States to Arbor Freight, and it's 25 bucks. So just a quick video now. What's this? Cat cables. Don't need it. Oh wow. Cassette adapter. I used to have these when CDs first came out in the cars. But I had all cassettes, so I used to hook it up to the thing. Don't need that. What's this? Bulbs. Mini bulbs, 12 volt. I don't know what I would use that for, but anyway, garbage. Oh, some more garbage. I guess they puts all their garbage in the box. Let's see what this is. Coax cable. Don't need that. Oh, what's this? Black & Decker. Steam mop. Don't have a steam mop. Garbage. What's this? Do I have it upside down here? Yeah. iPhone 6. Garbage. $25 Costco. Or Princess Auto. 25 bucks. Some more. Did I throw that back in there? Oh no. Some more bigger bulbs too. Oh, that's garbage too. MP3 charger, whatever it is. What's this? Well, it ain't garbage, but not much use. Ooh, I see something down here. What's this? Phillips? No, regular screwdriver. A 1/4 inch. Oh, that's good. I don't mind that. And a small screwdriver. Okay, well, I don't need them, but hey, I'm always having to replace them after a while because so hard on them. That's a Phillips. Not too bad, not too bad. What else? What's this? Doing this one-handed, guys. Was this a Rocky Balboa outfit? What's this? The monkus. Oh, well, not a dress anyway. It's not a dress. That's good. I can use that. Summertime, cutting grass, working on chainsaw, whatnot. Some more garbage. What's this? Flex spin. USB powered flex spin. Well, that's not garbage, but not something that, you know. Fitting. Look, it looks like a hair fitting. What's that? Oh, yes. Hair oil splicer. Well, it's not garbage, but it ain't garbage. Drill bit. 11/64. You know what? I think. Anyway, that's not garbage, definitely. What's this? Like a spectacle for you guys in England across the pond. My spectacle fix kit. Well, that's not garbage. What's this? And elbow sleeve. Not too bad. Okay, that's not garbage either. I can use that. Pair of gloves. Stuck together. Definitely. Oh, is they lined? Is they winter? Oh, it kind of feels like a winter glove. Not bad at all. I don't mind. Gloves, I go through gloves like crazy. And guys, if you haven't checked out Kentucky Fried Fixes, check them out. I don't know what he's doing there now, but I haven't finished the video. Pair of gloves. Small, are they? I can tell. Not for me. Maybe for the young chicken. For the wife. Ooh, I see something interesting. What's this? Ooh, 11/16. Irwin. It's not a deep, sorry, but impact. I don't need it, but that's all right. Not garbage at all. Not garbage at all. This here, well, I got lots of that, especially 1 inch. You know, I think that's what you use is for the put the door locks and that on, you know. But not garbage. What's this? Ooh, this would be my, is that a inverted Torx or whatever you call it? Ooh, yes, it is. I don't have any of them. I need a set. Huh. Cool. Well, that's good. And some tape. Masking tape. Well, it's not garbage, that's for sure. What's this? Bullets. Oh, arrowhead. Well, that's garbage for me. I don't have one. I think that's what it is. Anyway. Whatever. Fits most aluminum carbide arrows, yep. Garbage, but maybe I could use them for a fishing weight or something. So, folks, that's it. I hope that your weekend is wrapping up to be a good one. And if you're heading out for work tomorrow, take it easy and stay safe.